Paul from the present. I'm Paul from the future. I've been sent here to modernize your legal team. Future, Paul? What's the future like? To be honest, it's not that chill. But it is awesome for legal tech. That's why I came here, because your current process is expensive and time-consuming. Help! Time is your worst enemy, because it kills all deals. Laptop? Why is the future so loud? Oh, nice catch. LinkSquares is the first AI-powered end-to-end solution that makes contracting easy. You can centralize your contract repository, automate away repetitive tasks, and provide visibility for all teams. So you can focus on what really matters, moving business forward faster. With Finalize, you and your team can draft, review, and approve your contracts to close deals faster. You might even say, at light speed. Finalize lets you standardize language across documents by giving you the power to build customized templates and a centralized clause library. And with automated tasks and notifications, you can be sure you have the right eyes on the right contracts every time. Finalize helps you automate the contract review process with AI-powered summaries and document comparison. Collaborate openly across teams and save time by integrating your existing tech stack. Let your team work in the tools they're comfortable with, like Salesforce and Microsoft Word. Once your document is ready, hop over to LinkSquares Sign, where you can get full visibility into your signature process. Track who's opened, viewed, signed, and returned an agreement at any point. Sign keeps your contracting process secure and all in one place. That means fewer errors and no time wasted jumping between platforms. With Analyze, you can forget about combing through your documents to find important information. Analyze keeps all your signed contracts in one place. Our proprietary OCR technology, backed by human review, will digitize even the ugliest documents, turning them into readable, searchable text. With our powerful AI, you can extract important data like key terms, clauses, and dates. Impressive. So you'll be able to make big decisions quickly and minimize risks with our detailed reporting. Share valuable information across teams and answer questions in seconds instead of days. Do a third cool thing with all that extra time. You don't have to wait a bajillion years. The future is here.
Book a demo today.
And modernize your legal team with LinkSquares.
That's my line.